capture there. How the fuck do people manage this strange thing now? Okay boys, so we are basically looking like this is the first time I'm using tmux, so how does this thing work? It's not working exactly, but how do I use it? So this is the session today. Okay. Touch maximum input by detach other plants. Not sure what that is. Audio is going to be very bad. I know that. So this is a session specifically, and I don't even know the concepts of this tmux, like what are these windows and panes and all of this mean. List keys. Key bindings, tmux info, summary, something windows. Right. Miscellaneous like control B and okay, control B and okay, got it. So control B and this will give me this bar, and now if I say something like set mouse on, this should work, right? So basically control D is the key to do anything in this, like to go into this bar thing, right? Control B is common. Okay. Got it. Understood. Okay. So Angie. I need it close, bro. So if I pause this, you guys won't be able to see it, right? Huh. Again, check. Sorry, bro. You say something, man? Hello.
Yeah, what are you building?
Not exactly building. I'm just struggling with the.
Trying to learn tmux.
Sorry.
Are you trying to learn tmux?
Yes, I'm just. This is the first time I'm doing this tmux thing.
Nice.
So like I learned this from a person, like if you're doing anything, then just stream it, makes you more focused or something like that. So I'm just struggling online basically.
Alright, I won't disturb you. I'll leave you to it. Continue on.
Yeah, sure. Not actually disturbing, but just making it fun. I'm feel like I'm not doing it alone, so it's fine.
I'll come after some time. I just popped in to see what you were doing. If you're still there after some time, I'll come back.
Okay, okay.
Bye, man.
Bye.
Have fun.
See ya. So last thing, let's just see this Windows is session window. This creates a window, right? Just if I see this, and huh. So if I do control V and see this creates a window on the basically. And since I enable the mouse now, then can use mouse, right? So if I set mouse off, can I use then? No, I cannot use mouse. Makes sense. Control V colon and set mouse. Okay, got it. Now how do I rename the correct window with this? Close windows and this computer. What is it name? Ah, nice. So J and K I can use definitely like this. Nice. So you can also use numbers if I not wrong. Okay. Control V W6 should now should jump to no. Oh, I pressed 0. Oh yeah, you can use numbers to jump between windows. Cool. And I enable the management, so that is good. What is this? What? 7 windows. And if that happens, so what exactly is done? So session install sessions. This should be so one window. No, I didn't get it. Fetch the last session. There is this concept of pane also. For the last active pane, no last pane. I will synchronize copy mouse. Use VI keys and pop. And copy more. Go to tab 1, copy mouse, school. Center command line. Okay. Okay. Yes. So if I say like control B, yes. That is a lot. How do I close the window? Basically, these are your windows. So that much is key. Okay. So this is the your current window, install windows, US next, control user to manage safety after window. Is your Windows set number. So window, I can understand session, maybe I understand. So what is pane exactly? So the things pane is entity that we actually use to commands such as technically they are pseudo terminals encapsulating shells like such. Other words, they are terminal into Linux. What is this? Problems. Cheat sheet for tmux is a problematic cheat sheet. As tmux window is a single screen covered with pins. One not compared to a virtual tasks. Screen is a rectangular window that only special commands. So how do I create a pane? So if I create a last active pane or something like that, can I create a pane? Create pane. Existing screen then attachment to the session. Split the window. Split the window into 2 panes horizontally. Split the window into 2 panes vertically. So control B percentage. So split the window horizontally. But that is split the window vertically and horizontally. This is vertical, right? Control B X. Yeah, sure. Control B. Split the window into 2 panes vertically. 2 panes vertically. So vertical 2 panes makes sense. Like this one is 1, 2. So they are in this order. So they are vertical. In that sense, it is right. Divide, split vertically. Doesn't matter. When it's not started working to be done, you are putting in several panes, automatic layout, personal panel synchronization, scriptability, which allows me to do the custom sessions for different purpose. Okay. And that you can connect to music online and commands of using the for example, simulate a long running process equals to run by to echo voltage, which is like one. If I don't implement this program 10 times, so if I do that, tmux, yes. So let's just how we close the window. We just want to close like this. See close current window and so control D and press and control D and press. Let it continue. Like roll shift change in start a new session. Next one control D, control D. I should really rebind this control B thing. I would like to use default, but something I learned from we saw that as tutorial. Just see if I c equals to 1 by 2 and let's see equals 1 okay, I did that. You can detach from your tmux session by pressing Ctrl D and D. tmux operates using a series of key bindings triggered by prefix key binding, which modify the prefixes Ctrl P. After that, we'll click on attach open session. So if I do Ctrl D, then nice. We're no longer attached to the session, but we have a long running command executes safe in the background. Cool. This is tmux ls tmux ls ing. This activation will go but wide. I gotta close that. So when I create it now, it did not settle it, but I mean, time is in disconnect relationship connection at this point, and command will continue to the code. When we are ready, we reconnect the server and reattach the tmux session to resume where you left off. So what does this do? At tmux attach to 0, the length is the number, right? Yeah, but session from attach d Start new session, kill room, detach, show all sessions. I'm having hard time speaking sessions. It's too much sessions. Confirm. Session student. Attached to a session with the beginning, attached to last session. tmux A will attach to the last session. Same thing, different thing. Is using T0 attach T second number. This could be the number like attach. It seems like missing, so not a fan of this. First of all, why do you have so many aliases? Just keep it one, like this one is perfect. I mean, this one is more descriptive, but a lot of typing is fine, but still like if this session information is embedded in this, right? So it should infer from this, like a kind of maybe. Okay, so you can use basically attach T. Okay, got it. So T attach T0, but mine is 1, right? Now, so we abbreviate it. So for example, you can enter tmux A and this will work. So you must attach this functionality along next tmux create to key maintenance. We're not clear netting. You can name it by going S and then you it is what I can call it. Detach, split, arrow key, move between panes. Okay, that will be an arrow key. So if I control P and percentage, control P and these bindings, but then I will have to track another dot or config file. In that case, don't really want to change the default settings, like default configurations, all of this is, because they're default and they're going to be similar for every machine out there. So in case if there is a need to work on different machine, then I don't have to like I will not be limited by my own configuration. This is one idea, but again, I'm not most of the time working on my own computer, so let's see. Okay, so control V will open a panel and navigate a presentation and medical section. Control V W. So how do I close this pane? Now control X. So control V X. Yes. Control V X. Yes. And just close this also. Control L. See, this is okay. We all keep and press Q to exit. Well, most often we use this keyboard. Now you can use mouse to see you can also right click the mouse on tmux counter. Ah, sweet. Okay, okay. Configure tmux. Yeah, let's just do that. From.tmux.config. For example, the default is usually, but sometimes this combination is a little awkward to press obvious. Not sometimes, not all the time. Like always. Always. Yes, and it requires both hands. Huh? Eh? ठीक है. You can change it to something different by create a new file. So I like to set up the key to control it. Can the fuck now? Set up the key to control a set G prefix C A. Remove the old prefix, unbind C A. Send control to application by pressing the press. Fuck, that's bind C A send prefix. Okay, so what is the key binding that I don't use? I'll worry about configurations later. Customer the status bar. Yes, this is limited. Right now it is this. tmux gives you fully customizable color of each section. Section. What is display? There are so many things. You change the background color inside G. What is this G thing? Is like global? Mouse. What's the mouse name exactly? Oh. Windows status style background. Change inactive window color. So change active window color. Status Windows status current. Windows status style. Status current. So default is inactive and active is okay. Red. This command will include the file program changes with this including the folder function. And this is definitely not nice. What's next? I don't know. You can expand the plugin. These plugins that integrate with applications such as Vim and functionality. For example, consulting. I think there was a video of someone like about it. Where it is said tmux no wallet to it. Oh my god. Or it was from Code Aesthetics. No, it was from Code Aesthetics, I guess. AE Aesthetics. Yes. Okay, so it was container code. And they're also similar. I don't want to watch it right now because so I think I have basic idea about. For example, mostly what I need is like first of all let's just accept this and tmux list control bw what tmux ls. No server running on tmux. Okay, tmux new accepted. Why did you accept, man? Like, what is the command for new session? Like new session, like new. Whoa, this is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I have to pass it. So tmux new test session. I'm hitting session. Did someone say something? I don't think so. So this one and this one. So created. So control VW will list. Load session is first. So all I need is like, so the pane is different, like dividing this into some, like literally dividing the window is pane thing, and then window is window, like this one is different windows. Okay, I think I get the idea. Session means session, like how do we visualize session, pane and window? So window and pane I can visualize pretty much. I'm not sure about sessions. So session is like stream, but then you can close it and it is still running in the background, but when you close the stream it just closes, so it's not really equivalent to stream. Okay, session. So a session runs in a pane. So pane is basically just showing you what is happening in the session. So what you do, the window shows pane. Pane can have sessions, and sessions can live without any pane. For example, you can detach them. Basically a process type of thing. Yeah, process type of thing. So let's see what the actual definition of sessions is. It tmux related to specific session definition? Like, does tmux have different tmux session definited? Let's define it. A tmux is a terminal creates a secure shell. Server and a session. Server holds one or more sessions. A session holds one or more windows. So session can hold one or more windows. How's that? A window can have multiple pins, that I can understand. A window session can have multiple windows. How would that look like? We are going to pane. Yeah, everything makes sense above here, but this. So yeah, I mean, from a web browser point of view, a session can have multiple tabs, so makes sense. But in this scenario I cannot see how this thing will this thing will relate here. Whatever, so now what do we do? So I'm going to be visited with this. Okay, so what is this? Okay, installation, first tmux session, attach to last tmux session. So if I do that, okay, so what is that? tmux, okay, no session, tmux. Okay, so control B, wait a minute, control B delete now. Data from session is so tmux A, so now I can, okay, got it, gotcha. So 0 1 1 and sort tmux 0. What is this? Same thing. Plugins and tools. Substitute sheet. Power 9. Tmuxinator animal. Okay. I think I got the idea of how tmux thing basically just multiplexer. Yeah, just like the name says. So what should we do next? So it is already 11:50 and background music is off. So what should we do next? What? I was thinking to add that like Python unit test into the core DB server that I'm DB database that I'm writing. It's basically a SQLite clone. I'm just following a blog post, nothing fancy. So I can add because that database, that blog base is using Ruby unit test framework like RSpec, and I'm not really familiar with RSpec and I can't understand the syntax very well. So what I'm thinking is if I should use Python for that. I mean, I'm writing it in C, so I can use cppu test or Unity, but that I'm not really sure what that is. So Python unit test or CPP U test. To be or not to be? So this one, like, this is something that I was working on. This is basically embedded Linux stuff. So this is Linux BBB kernel, black Beagle One Black. So why have this open? Just fixing some errors. For example, we commented this. There were some build failures. So, but we are not doing that today, right? We are doing. We should, I think, database. Oh, sorry. Yes, database. So cd. Oh God. Workspace. cd colon dash and why do I have this else open? We just delete this book. What the fuck? Info. Seriously, people say Visual Studio VS Code is good. Yeah. Search. Okay, status. The status is test1.rb. Like, I don't really understand the syntax of these Ruby files. This Ruby unit test framework. This is so alien to me, man. This is so alien. Sure, I can make sense, like, what this is doing, opening a file, but okay. And I am afraid that if I add some different testing framework, CPP U test or some Python test framework, then my focus will shift from learning the database to just writing the current test codes, like these test codes into some different test codes. So I'll be struggling with writing these unit test, these Ruby unit tests into Python or some different unit test if I choose like CPP unit test. So which is not a problem, but the thing is I don't really want to do that, because the point of doing is to learn the database, learn the SQLite, learn like how these things work, like how the tables are generated, rows are inserted, and all of that. Like a simple REPL thing. REPL basically read, execute, p prompt loop, like REPL. Did someone come? Hey, hi. This is audible. Hi. Yo bro, what's up? यार अभी तक तो tmux कर रहा था, पर अब सोच रहा हूँ पुराना जो प्रोजेक्ट पड़ा है वो कर लूँ, डेटाबेस वाला।
वैसे आप मतलब ऐसे स्टूडेंट हो या फिर ऐसे काम कर रहे हो सॉफ्टवेयर में?
नहीं यार, सॉफ्टवेयर का ही है, नॉट एग्जैक्टली इंजीनियर, बट लाइन ब्लर है बेसिकली, तो जॉब करता हूँ फिलहाल तो
अच्छा,
एम्बेडेड।
किस चीज़ की जॉब करते हो?
यार सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर एम्बेडेड सिस्टम्स जो आपके होते हैं ना,
अच्छा।
या सो दैट इज़ अ जॉब पार्ट बट आई एम जस्ट ओवरऑल एवरीवेयर इन द कंप्यूटर डोमेन सो।
ओके, तो मतलब क्या बैंगलोर में किस कंपनी में काम करते हो?
नहीं यार बेंगलोर में नहीं है, मैं इधर दिल्ली में हूँ।
अच्छा, कौन सी कंपनी में?
यार स्टार्टअप है एक बाज बाइक्स, सो इफ़ यू सर्च लिटिल बिट तो तुमको
किससे रिलेटेड?
थोड़ा ईवी सेक्टर में है।
अच्छा, ईवी सेक्टर।
यस। व्हाट डू यू डू ब्रो? स्टूडेंट हो क्या? अच्छा।
हाँ,
वे किस कॉलेज से?
आईआईटी रुड़की से, मतलब ये जिनका चैनल है वही।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। बिग ब्रोस। नाइस मैन नाइस।
आप कितने साल से जॉब कर रहे हो?
यार 2+ ईयर्स हो चुकी हैं। हाँ 2+ तो नहीं, 2 ईयर्स हो चुकी है एग्जैक्टली।
अच्छा, आपने मतलब ऐसे डिग्री वगैरह कैसे, बीटेक ही किया था?
यस बीटेक।
हमारा तो प्लेसमेंट सीजन आने वाला है।
प्लेसमेंट सीजन? ये यार गुड लक फॉर योर प्लेसमेंट सीजन मैन।
क्या?
कि गुड लक फॉर योर प्लेसमेंट सीजन।
थैंक्स यार। आप ऐसे मतलब इस सर्वर पे कोई दिखता नहीं है, इनएक्टिव सा सर्वर है।
या मोस्टली पीपल आर लाइक स्टूडेंट्स सो दे आर बिजी विद देयर एग्जाम्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो
हाँ।
और डेवलपमेंट में भी यार मोस्टली लोग ऐसा है कि अब इस तरीके से लाइव स्ट्रीम कोई नहीं करता है और ज़्यादातर लोग प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे होते हैं।
हाँ।
You can say like everyone is busy, so yeah. So so you are from computer science branch, right?
नो नो, नॉट फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर साइंस, मेरे तो केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग है।
हाँ। तो कंप्यूटर में इंटरेस्ट है क्या?
हाँ हाँ, अब वही है, जॉब उसी में है।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। क्या बनाया अभी तक, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह बनाए क्या?
यार मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा डेप्थ तो नहीं किया, बस मैंने वेब डेवलपमेंट किया था।
हाँ
उसके
हाँ।
कुछ प्रोजेक्ट बनाए थे, लाइक मतलब बेसिक ही प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं मोस्ट ऑफ द।
और
अभी मैं एक इंटर्नशिप कर रहा हूँ, मतलब डीआरडीओ में।
हम्म,
वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट एमएल का चल रहा है।
अच्छा।
मतलब ऑटोमेटिक डिटेक्शन ऑफ एरियल ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन इंफ्रारेड वीडियोस। वो मतलब एक मेरा वो ही है मेजर अभी तक का।
तो वो लोग कैसे एमएल में क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं, कोई स्पेसिफिक फ्रेमवर्क यूज़ कर रहे हैं, अपना अपना ही खुद का चल रहा है?
नहीं, मेजरली वो मैटलैब से, मतलब उसमें मैं कोड करता हूँ, उसमें मैटलैब के फंक्शंस यूज़ करके, पाइथन ही है मेन लैंग्वेज। बाकी उसमें मैटलैब के फीचर्स यूज़ करके ही पूरा करता हूँ।
ओके मैटलैब के फीचर्स। हाँ।
मैटलैब में एक्चुअली प्री डिफाइंड फंक्शंस बहुत सारे हैं, तो
हम्म,
मतलब खुद से हर चीज़ बार बार नहीं लिखनी पड़ती। और उनका मतलब थोड़ा, मतलब मेरे को लगा थोड़ा ओल्ड एज टाइप की है वो। तो मैटलैब पहले ज़्यादा यूज़ होता था, तो अभी उन्होंने स्विच ही नहीं किया किसी ने, तो शायद इस वजह से मैटलैब यूज़ करते हैं।
ये मैटलैब तो मैं ओल्ड एज तो नहीं कहूँगा, पर ऐसा है कि रिसर्च वाले पॉइंट में जहाँ पे साइंटिफिक, अगेन मेरे को डीप नॉलेज नहीं है, हम जस्ट स्पेकुलेटिंग हियर। तो
हाँ
ऐसा होता है कि जब आप सिमुलेशंस वगैरह वाले पार्ट में होते हैं ना, तो यू यूज़ व्हाट इज़ ऑलरेडी प्री बिल्ट एंड वेल टेस्टेड, राइट? तो आप ताकि आप जो है सिमुलेशन जो आप असल में कर रहे हैं उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस कर पाएँ रेदर देन कि आप स्ट्रगलिंग विद द लाइब्रेरी एंड सेटिंग योर सिस्टम अप एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। सो
हाँ,
उस
ये
पॉइंट ऑफ
बात
व्यू
तो
से
है।
कह सकते हो कि मैटलब ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है, क्योंकि अपने ऑफिस में भी ऐसा है कि सिमुलेशंस के लिए बैटरीज के सिमुलेशन वगैरह हो गया, इन सब के लिए सेल टेस्टिंग हो गई, मैटलब के मॉडल्स ही उठाए जाते हैं, क्योंकि आप मैटलब के मॉडल्स उठाए जाते हैं उनमें पैरामीटर्स ऑलरेडी कॉन्फ़िगर्ड हैं, सो यू जस्ट चेंज दोज वैल्यूज़ एंड यू गेट द न्यू सिमुलेटेड रिजल्ट बेस्ड ऑन योर सेल पैरामीटर्स। तो
हाँ,
क्विक एंड ईजी हो जाता है। अदरवाइज यू यूज सम लाइब्रेरी, यू सेट योर सिस्टम अप, देन यू डू ऑल ऑफ दिस। उसके लिए क्या है कि अलग तरीके के स्किल सेट लगता है, मे बी दैट इज़ द रीज़न, आई डोंट रियली नो।
यही मतलब वो भी बोल रहे थे कि इसमें थोड़े पहले से डिफाइंड है, तो उतना ज़्यादा बेसिक चीज़ों पे फोकस नहीं करना पड़ता, जो प्रीमियम है उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है।
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली।
मतलब मेरा ऐसे एमएल में पर्टिकुलरली तो ऐसे नहीं सोचा कि मैं एमएल में ही जाऊंगा फ्यूचर में। बट अभी तो जैसे मैं डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम्स कर रहा हूँ, और
ओके।
इंटर्न में भी मतलब उतना लोड है नहीं, मतलब वो लोग थोड़े चिल्ली हैं। मेन उनको ये है कि वो, उन्होंने पहले भी मेरे को बोला था कि तुम अपनी ट्रेनिंग कर लो यहाँ पे अच्छे से। हमारे पास तो साइंटिस्ट है, तुम्हारा तुम कुछ नहीं बढ़िया कर पाओगे, मतलब तुम अपनी ट्रेनिंग कर लो, अपना तुम जो सीख सकते हो, तो मतलब थोड़ा चिल ही है। मेरे को ऐसा डर लग रहा है कि जैसे अगर मैं बहुत डेप्थ में नहीं जा रहा हूँ अभी प्रोजेक्ट में,
हम्म।
तो मतलब जैसे इंटरव्यू वगैरह में, मतलब अगर मैं एसडी के इंटरव्यू के लिए बैठ रहा हूँ, मैं डीएस अच्छे से करके जा रहा हूँ,
हम्म।
तो मतलब ऐसे क्या बहुत दिक्कत होगी क्या, मतलब ऐसे अगर वो इंटर्न की चीज़ के प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, अगर मैं पूरा ओवरव्यू बता सकता हूँ उन्हें, मैं टेक्नोलॉजीज बता सकता हूँ जो जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं, या मतलब जैसे उसमें वीडियो का पूरा जो प्री प्रोसेसिंग होता है उसके बाद, मतलब ये सब मैंने करा हुआ है, तो वो सब मैं बता सकता हूँ। और बहुत ऐसे डीप में नहीं गया हूँ कि मैं मॉडल ट्रेन करे हूँ वहाँ पर बैठ के, एक एक पर्टिकुलर डेटा सेट में जाके।
नहीं यार, इतना प्रॉब्लम होनी तो नहीं चाहिए एटलीस्ट। मतलब इंटर्न्स का ऐसा होता है कि उनसे ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया जाता कि आपको डीप नॉलेज हो। अदरवाइज़ तो इंटर्न अगर किसी को है तो अच्छी बात है, प्लस पॉइंट है, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि दे एक्सपेक्ट दैट मच ऑफ अ डीप नॉलेज की मॉडल कैसे ट्रेन हो रहा है।
हाँ।
राइट। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसमें तो यार न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स डिपेंडिंग कि आप किस टाइप का नेट, मतलब एन नंबर ऑफ चीज़ें आ जाती है ना। न्यूरल नेटवर्क में भी ऐसा है कि अलग अलग टाइप के न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स हैं।
हम्म।
तो वही वो लोग एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेंगे। वो तो यार तुम ऐसा हो जब पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक प्रोफाइल के लिए जाओगे देन इट इज़ एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू।
हाँ, मतलब वही बात है, मतलब मैं
हाँ।
प्रोफाइल तो जैसे एसडी के लिए टारगेट कर रहा हूँ। और
हम्म।
एक दिक्कत ये है कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा डेव किया नहीं है, मैंने थर्ड ईयर में ही मेजरली थोड़े कोडिंग वोडिंग भी, कोडिंग तो खैर चलो पहले से स्टार्ट कर दी थी, चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करने में ज़्यादा फालतू टाइम वेस्ट किया है। पहले मैं डिज़ाइन करता था, फिर मैंने सोचा कि वेब भी देखता हूँ, फिर मैंने सोचा एमएल देखता हूँ, ऐसे ज़्यादा फालतू में इधर उधर चीज़ें करी। फिर डीएसए अब मैं अच्छे से कर रहा हूँ, मतलब डीएसए में मतलब बिल्कुल रेवोल्यूशन है वो वैसे तो।
हाँ यार, डीएसए में ऐसा है कि एक तो फ़िल्टरिंग वाला प्रोसेस कंपनीज का बहुत रहता है, वो ख़त्म हो जाता है। और दूसरा ये है कि अगर किसी बंदे ने डीएसए करी है तो उसका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स तो डेवलप होते ही होते हैं।
हाँ।
साथ में ऐसा है कि मान लो दो बंदे मेरे पास में, एक जिसने डीएसए करी है, एक जिसने नहीं करी है। तो
हम्म।
जिसने डीएसए कर रखी है ना, अगर उसके पास कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी भले डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड हो, तो उसका दिमाग तुरंत जो है किसी ना किसी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर की तरफ ओरिएंट हो जाएगा कि ये शायद मैं लगा सकता हूँ,
हम्म।
और वहीं डिफरेंस क्रिएट हो जाता है।
हाँ।
तो बस यही यही पॉइंट है कंपनी के डीएसए का, जहाँ तक मेरे को लगता है। और भी रीज़न हो सकते हैं,
हम्म।
बट ये मेरे को प्राइमरी रीज़न लगता है।
और बट हाँ, जैसे ऑन कैंपस अगर मैं देखूँ ना, तो डीएसए तो बहुत लोग करते हैं,
हम्म।
बट मेरे को लगता है कि फिर वहाँ पे ये चीज़ हो जाती है कि अगर सिमिलर, मतलब ऐसे ऐसे डीएसए के इंटरव्यू में उसने मेरे से दो क्वेश्चन पूछे और दूसरे पार्टिसिपेंट से भी दो पूछे, मान लो दोनों ने दोनों बता दिए क्वेश्चन,
हम्म।
फिर मेरे को लगता है कि फिर शायद टाई ब्रेकर ये प्रोजेक्ट्स पे होता है, कि मतलब अगर इसे डेव भी आता तो ये एडिशनल अच्छी चीज़ होगी।
या कंपनी टू कंपनी वेरी करेगा। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल कंपनी ऐसा करती हैं कि डीएसए से वो कर लेती हैं, फिल्टर कर लेती हैं, उसके बाद असाइन करती हैं किस तरीके का तुम वर्क कर रहे हो। कोई स्टार्टअप है पर्टिकुलर, वो तो किसी पर्टिकुलर टेक स्टैक पे काम करेगा, वो तो उसके बाहर जाएगा ही नहीं। पर कंपनीज़ का ऐसा होता है कि वो तो हायरिंग पहले कर लेती हैं। प्रोजेक्ट्स में अलग अलग टीम्स में बाद में डिसाइड होता है कौन कहाँ जाएगा, डिपेंडिंग कि कोई कितना कॉम्पिटेंस है।
हाँ।
तो प्रोजेक्ट यार डील ब्रेक टाई ब्रेकर तो हो सकता है, सही बात है।
क्योंकि एक्चुअली अगर अभी इस समय पे तो सभी डीएसए कर रहे हैं।
हाँ ये तो है यार। डी डीएसए का तो हवा है डीएसए की, अभी फिर ओपन सोर्स का थोड़ा चलने लगा है।
हाँ, ओपन सोर्स, जैसे ये हरकीरत सर, मतलब हमारे कॉलेज में जैसे ये हरकीरत सर जो थे ना,
हम्म।
ये जिस ग्रुप में थे एनजीओज में, वो ग्रुप ही डेवलपमेंट को, मतलब डेवलपमेंट के बारे में लोगों को अवेयर ही जैसे कॉलेज में वो ग्रुप के बच्चे ही करते हैं मोस्टली। मतलब जैसे मेरा भी एक दोस्त है, भले वो उस ग्रुप में नहीं है, बट जिस सीनियर से उसने गाइडेंस ली, वो ओपन सोर्स करता है बेसिकली। वो उस ग्रुप में नहीं है, बट जिस सीनियर से गाइडेंस ली वो उस ग्रुप में था, मतलब वो इनका जो ग्रुप था ना वो बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप है, मतलब टेक में सबसे बेस्ट ग्रुप है टेक में। बहुत अच्छे उसमें मचाऊ मचाऊ ओपन सोर्स करते हैं सब। मेरी जैसे एक दोस्त है।
समझा। डेवलपमेंट में ठीक है यार, जा सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। डीएसए कर लो डेवलपमेंट, डीएसए तो मस्ट है यार।
हाँ, डीएसए मस्ट है, आप ये बोल सकते हो।
ऐसे मतलब दोनों चीज़ें म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव नहीं कर सकते हो कि तुम कि डीएसए कर लो या फिर डेवलपमेंट कर लो। डीएसए इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट।
हाँ।
तो वही है, तो दोनों म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव नहीं है।
या तो तुम डेव की किसी एक पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में बहुत अच्छे हो और
हम्म।
ऑफ कैंपस अप्लाई करो, ऑन कैंपस तो कुछ भी
हाँ वही, ऑफ कैंपस में तुमको ऐसा है कि तुम किस कंपनी को या टारगेट कर रहे हो या किस स्टार्टअप को टारगेट कर रहे हो। कंपनी को भी टारगेट करोगे तो वो डीएसए पूछेगी, और स्टार्टअप में भी मोस्टली स्टार्टअप डीएसए शायद पूछें शायद ना पूछें, पता नहीं, मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में तो आज तक मुझसे नहीं पूछा गया।
स्टार्टअप्स कम पूछते क्योंकि उन्हें इमीडिएट काम चाहिए,
हाँ
वो ट्रेनिंग नहीं दे सकते।
वही, उनको इमीडिएट टैक पे काम करने वाला बंदा चाहिए जो उसको वो काम करना है।
हाँ।
तो वहाँ तुम्हारा डेवलपमेंट आगे आ जाता है। मैं खुद डीएसए कर रहा हूँ भाई अभी।
अच्छा, आप भी डीएसए कर रहे हो?
हाँ 2-3 ऐसा है कि ट्री तक पहुँच गया था, अभी ट्री ट्रेवर्सल कर रहा था। डीएसए क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना मेरे को थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लगता है।
अरे क्वेश्चन ही तो मेन होते हैं डीएसए में।
नहीं जैसे हाँ बात तुम्हारी ठीक है, क्वेश्चन मेन होते हैं। ऐसा है कि डेटा स्ट्रक्चर और एल्गोरिदम वाला पार्ट दो है ना। फिलहाल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर पर मैं ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कोई प्रॉब्लम, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था कि किस तरीके से तुम अ, उस प्रॉब्लम को मॉडल कर सकते हो उस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर में। तो वो,
अपने नज़रिए से कर रहे हो।
हाँ वो चीज़ जो है, प्रॉब्लम जो तुम सॉल्व करो उसमें उसके सॉल्यूशन में काफ़ी सारा फ़र्क लेके आ जाती है। फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे को याद है कॉलेज में जब मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा था, उस वक्त मेरे को डीएसए का पता नहीं था, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर का नहीं पता था उसका। तो मैंने वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर ली थी, लेकिन मेरे उसके बाद मेरे को जब मैंने देखा नेट पे तो पता लगा कि एग्जैक्टली प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है जिसको आप हैश मैप बोलते हैं। बेसिकली की या वैल्यू का पेयर वाला कोई भी आप डेटा स्ट्रक्चर ले लीजिए। तो मेरे को हिट करा यार, ये तो ऑलरेडी, ये तो 10 मिनट का क्वेश्चन था, 10 मिनट की प्रॉब्लम थी, ये सॉल्व हो जाती। पर मेरे को वो चीज़ सॉल्व करनी पड़ी थी 2 एरे का यूज़ करके, और वो भी धीरे धीरे बिल्डअप हुआ था वहाँ पर। तो एल्गोरिदम वाला पार्ट तो ठीक है, उससे आपको काफ़ी चीज़ें पता लग जाती हैं। डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा, मैं पहले स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ रहा हूँ कि ये किस तरीके से काम कर रहा है। तो अगेन मैं तो जॉब कर रहा हूँ, तो मेरा तो अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। तुम्हारे केस में क्वेश्चंस मैटर करते हैं क्योंकि यू हैव टू बी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग।
हमारे में तो वही है, कोडिंग राउंड होगा,
हाँ
इसमें क्वेश्चन ही आएंगे उसमें।
वही वही।
आपको तो डेप्थ में मतलब एप्लीकेशन पर्पस के लिए आप कर रहे हो,
यस
हमें तो मतलब वही है कि ठीक है, सिंपल है।
नेक्स्ट।
ये क्या होता है टीमक्स जो आप कर रहे हो?
या टीमक्स बेसिकली टर्मिनल मल्टीप्लेक्सर है। तो इसमें ऐसा होता है, एक बार में तुम एक टर्मिनल पे काम करते हो जनरली।
हाँ।
तो अगर तुमको मल्टीपल टर्मिनल चाहिए तो तुमको मल्टीपल टर्मिनल ओपन करने पड़ते हैं, और हर एक की विंडो अलग अलग ओपन होती है। तो मैनेज करना काफ़ी हैसल पे, मतलब प्रॉब्लमेटिक सा हो जाता है ना, काफ़ी सारी विंडो खुली रहती हैं। इसमें क्या होता है, आप सिंगल विंडो के अंदर, विंडो इन द सेंस कि ये जो विंडो तुमको दिख रही है इसके अंदर मल्टीपल सेशंस खोल सकते हो,
हाँ।
है ना। तो अगेन टीमक्स की टर्मिनोलॉजी में 3 चीज़ें हैं, सेशन है, पेन है और विंडो है। तो जैसे फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल विंडो ऐसी होगी कि तुमको नीचे इसमें ये दिख रहा है जिसमें ZSH लिखा हुआ और स्टार लगा हुआ है, ज़ीरो वाला। तो इसमें अगर तुम नेक्स्ट विंडो और खोलोगे तो तुमको इसके आगे एक और बन के आ जाएगा 1 ZSH का। तो बेसिकली एक तरीके का टैब खुल जाएगा, ये कैसे समझ लो।
क्या चीज़ है?
एक तरीके सेम विंडो में एक तरीके का टैब खुल के आ जाएगा अगर तुम खोलते हो तो इसको टीमक्स में। और फिर उस टैब को भी तुम मल्टीपल सेक्शंस में डिवाइड कर सकते हो, जिसको इनकी टर्मिनोलॉजी में पेन बोलते हैं, PANE। तो वन विंडो कैन हैव मल्टीपल पेन्स। सो इस तरीके से क्या है कि मैनेज करना काफ़ी आसान है। तो और भी बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं, वही एक्सप्लोर कर रहा था, काफ़ी टाइम से पेंडिंग पड़ा था, तो उनकी कर लेते हैं आज।
आप भी मतलब ओपन सोर्स ही कर रहे हो?
नहीं यार, ओपन सोर्स तो नहीं कर रहा मैं फ़िलहाल, तो एम्बेडेड साइड का जो प्रोडक्ट चल रहा है उसमें थोड़ा बिजी हूँ। ओपन सोर्स करूँगा यार, ओपन सोर्स तो मस्ट है।
ओपन सोर्स बढ़िया है मतलब।
हाँ
तो मतलब आप घर भी रख रहे हो, मतलब इनका कोई कोर्स वोर्स भी ले रखा है क्या?
नहीं यार, मेरा डोमेन थोड़ा अलग है तो मैंने कोर्स तो नहीं लिया। मेरा डोमेन वेब डेव।
फुल स्टैक सिखाते हैं?
हाँ ये फुल स्टैक सिखाते हैं सिर्फ, तो इसीलिए मैंने नहीं लिया फुल स्टैक और ओपन सोर्स का, तो कह सकते हो। बाकी सिस्टम डिज़ाइन में मेरे को है, तो अभी कल परसों जो वीडियो आई थी वो देखी थी, नाइस।
हाँ, सिस्टम डिज़ाइन।
हाँ वही है कि मेरे को सिस्टम डिज़ाइन लेवल पे थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट है। अब वो चाहे ऐसा हो कि सिस्टम किसी का बैकएंड का हो या फिर किसी के प्रोडक्ट में एम्बेडेड साइड का हो, तो जब तक सिस्टम में पूरा हाथ जमाने को ना मिले तो मज़ा नहीं आता। वर्किंग विद लाइब्रेरीज इज़ वन थिंग, डिज़ाइनिंग सिस्टम इज़ अनदर। तो बस वही वाला पार्ट है।
कोड स्ट्रक्चर ही है।
यस यस एग्जैक्टली।
हाँ। अच्छा तो ये मतलब क्लाउड आर्किटेक्चर वगैरह से सिमिलर ही है क्या?
क्या चीज़? क्या चीज़? क्या चीज़?
क्लाउड क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग होती है ना, उसमें क्लाउड आर्किटेक्चर एपीआईज वगैरह डिज़ाइन करते हैं।
यार क्लाउड इन सब के बारे में मेरे को ज़्यादा नॉलेज तो नहीं है क्योंकि मेरा डोमेन नहीं है, बट क्लाउड आर्किटेक्चर, क्लाउड वाला पार्ट तो थोड़ा सा वैसा हो जाता है ना कि जैसे आपने AWS का क्लाउड ले लिया,
हाँ।
तो बेसिकली आप उनका सर्वर लेते हो या फिर उनकी सर्विसेज यूज़ करते हो। सर्वर में ऐसा है कि अगर आपने सर्वर लिया तो पूरा सर्वर आपको सेटअप करना पड़ेगा फुल्ली अपने हिसाब से। उन्होंने बेसिकली आपको हार्डवेयर दे दिया है, हार्डवेयर का एक्सेस दे दिया है, हार्डवेयर भी नहीं दिया। तो एक हार्डवेयर का एक्सेस दे दिया है आपको, उसको एज अ सर्वर इस्टेब्लिश करके पूरा उसको रन कराना पड़ेगा, मेंटेन भी आपको खुद करना है। सर्विसेज में ऐसा है कि वो लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जैसे उनकी लैम्बडा सर्विसेज हो गई कि आप एक लैम्बडा लिखिए वो रन करेगा जो भी लॉजिक उसमें आपने लिख रखा है। तो वहाँ पे सारा कुछ मेंटेन वाला पार्ट वो लोग कर रहे होते हैं, आपको बस खाली अपना कोड लिखना होता है। तो वो एक तरीका है, बट वहाँ पे फिर इस वो अलग अलग चीज़ें मैटर करते हैं, कितना आपका स्केल है कितना नहीं है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग का तो पता नहीं है मेरे को उतना।
मेरे को मतलब ऐसे क्लाउड का आइडिया था, मतलब मेरा एक दोस्त है, जैसे वो क्लाउड आर्किटेक्चर करता है,
हम्म।
AWS पे।
वो क्या करता है?
मतलब क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग करता है, वो ओपन सोर्स ही करता है क्लाउड।
अच्छा।
जैसे एक जैसे जीसॉप टाइप एक होता है, लिनक्स फाउंडेशन का हो गया,
हाँ।
एलएफएक्स मैक्रोशन,
हम्म।
तो उसने वही इस साल किया था, तो मिल गया उसको उसमें
ओके ओके।
वेब डेवलपमेंट में।
नाइस। Okay, so yes, where were we? Okay, so
चलिए सर, मैं चलता हूँ, करता हूँ, अच्छा लगा।
okay bro, bye bye. What the fuck is this, man? Why is this not working? Just don't understand this. Copy this. Somewhere on the part, what I can shift part 4 I guess, but not 4. I don't know, I'm not gonna write these tests now because they're headache. I don't want to learn Ruby just for writing some tests. But then I'm not able to fix. Fuck, bro, what the fuck, man. So describe if we have got the ability to insert 200 times, it's fine. Define short helper to send a list of command to a database program, then make a searching about the output. Okay. Right. First test. Okay. So we're basically saying we're going to short helper to send a list of commands to our database. List of commands. Database make assertions about the output. This is like run script, got it? Our output is now somewhere in this. The output is now open. So we basically open this DB. So this file exists in the DB is also supposed to do pipe. What is do pipe does? What is this thing? What is this? Maybe this pipe thing. Maybe it's a, I mean, this is something very dull, but this is some commands like this pass each do each command. So do basically some kind of closure like in Rust. Do command pipe output command. This is a fucked up one. What the fuck? Dot close right. Read entire output. db plus r. List of commands to a database program. Then make assertions about the program. Send list of commands. Where is sending all the commands? So run script. Basically this is some helper function which says so we will run this with commands. Where are you calling this run script? Insert and retrieve a row. Okay, do it run script when we pass on this and this. When you call this set command commands, row output is nil. Open the database and do pipe, whatever the pipe is, and then commands such as this and for each. So you basically pass in this array thing, list or array, whatever that is called. So pass it in here, and for each of this select and do pipe put command. So you put this command into this and you add it. This so get read entire output get is why output is split by n. The output split by n. Okay, so expect result is to match array. First will this, second will this, third will this. Okay. It's simple to make sure we get back what we put in, and maybe it passes. But it does not pass now. Test1.rp. So if I do this, like, am I doing some silly mistake here? This one. where it is. This one. This. So if I turn this, then it will wait. There is some indentations going on, right? Is Ruby indentation specific? Indentation sensitive. Indentation sensitive. They ignore our indentation. This is good because it generally lags to these things. How about this? And usually ignore our indentation and the remember code. Ruby is not the white space sensitive. Got it. So if I set this, and this one is commented, and this one passes, but as soon as I write this, everything goes to hell. But now it's feasible to add test inserting a large number of rows into database. So it prints so this one will end scribe database. I'm definitely doing the very same mistake now. It inserts split when it comes here, it inserts this thing with times that is different. Now it says like, okay, so this one is on, okay, this one is on Java, but now it's visual declaration split data message is full to insert a script is this here script it is not to insert script name diagram run script, so I'm going to call run script. Okay. But I'm gonna copy this thing and just move this to here. Should work. But yes, test. I don't think I made this one. Yes. Running test again. How the fuck is your test running again? It is doing this and it's getting failed. What is it? Corrupted top spec. No, corrupted top size. Okay, so if I do like 0 1 to 1400 with a limit of anything, then does this work? No, it does not. So it says two examples, one failure. For example, it's 31. So 31 is here. Yeah, whatever prints are available is good. 41 is good. 36 in block 2 in top 2 levels in 36. 36. Yeah, script में पास कर दिया है. So every skill you just insert this. Okay. But no method error. No method error. Well, boys, let's call it a day. I'm gonna see this thing. Now I just either I will solve this tomorrow or I will change the testing framework from Ruby's spec to something like Python or CPP test. I'll just first explore like what kind of test he's writing, and then I'll copy that. Okay. See you boys, have fun tonight. Yes, hi sir, how are you doing?
Fine. Into this course already?
Which course? Arkirat?
Yeah.
No, I'm not doing that course. I mean, my working domain is different, so it doesn't really serve me.
Actually, I want to get into IT,
Mm-hmm.
kind of learning, web development. By the way, I run a shop in my village
Okay.
where I live, medicine shop.
Yes.
So I have already learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript basics,
Mm-hmm.
but I have not learned anything like React or any of such. Uh, so I saw about this course on YouTube, so I got added to this server,
Mm-hmm.
but I think the course you need to pay some money.
Yes.
I had some doubt related to that, so I thought of asking you since I saw you
I,
coding.
yeah, I mean, you can pay the money, no problem. Uh, like, what exactly is the problem you think?
The issue is like I'm confused. What are they going to teach in that? Like in his videos, he says like uh, you have to either choose AI or something like Web3 or some kind of niche skills in order to get into the market for you know getting jobs. So I got confused in one of his videos.
Okay, I can see. Okay, so the first thing is that, man, I would suggest you don't go by all these new technologies. So why I'm saying this is because these are, like you said, is niche markets, and those companies who are building products using them, they are very small in numbers. So, and if and your primary goal is to get into the market first, and then you can explore like whether you want to go into AI or this Web3 stuff. So having said that, you first go into the market, you first get a job in this sector, and then you can decide later once the money is coming every month from that job, right? So you learn this MERN stack because this is like most popular these days. So you will have plenty of jobs if you choose to go with this MERN stack. And then once you are in any job in this MERN stack job, for example React developer or whatever that you get, then you can explore your options.
Actually, to be very frank with you, I have got an opportunity, like not a job, just some work, like a part-time thing. They are asking, like it's for a medicine company actually. They want to build a kind of an application, like a website, using Vue.js.
Okay.
They don't need heavy React or something because I don't know React. They said you can learn Vue. It's very easy to set up app, and they want they need it for their internal workings in their company for their employees or something like that.
Okay,
It's a medicine manufacturing company.
so are they going
So
to pay you for that or not?
uh, they are, but based on hourly basis.
Based on hourly basis, sir. Yeah, that is sure. I mean, for example, you can use that offer to learn Vue, and while you are learning you will get paid hourly basis whatever that pay is. So it serves in both parties purpose. They will get View, you get learning plus money. So I think it's a fine, it's better than doing some projects at home where you only spend your time into learning, while you can do this another thing, which is you spend your time in learning and get back some reward, money, etc. And to be honest, you will learn far more in this project than you can ever learn in any kind of project you will do, or in any kind of course.
Okay.
Yeah, again, it will be hard than following a course. Keep that thing in mind, because you will have to juggle around all those things by yourself. Nobody is going to teach you like how this and that. So there are things you can do, like there are guides on views, you can use them as a starting point if you're not familiar. So yeah, if I were in your position, I would take that offer and use that for my learning and earning both.
Okay. So I got interested in this course after seeing his video that I am getting 3 crore by doing freelancing and whatnot. So that's why I thought like I should join in this course. But later I got confused with whatever he advised to choose the niche skills or something like that. Uh, but I have a small doubt, like if I use this opportunity to make this app by learning it, and like deploying it on their company's site or something somewhere they ask, uh, like can I show it in the portfolio for freelancing projects in to get it in the future?
You can, I don't think you can show it as a portfolio, but you can show your work history, because what happens is that these internal projects are like they can definitely claim copyright, and they can say this is not your project and this is our company's project, you only worked on it. So you can really show it as a portfolio, but you can show the work history. That part is definitely sure. So it doesn't matter whether you can show it as a portfolio or not, but because the work experience that you can always show, that is going to be matter.
Okay. So what should I write about the work experience? Like I did freelancing for a client in this industry, and I did this and that, right?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So you are, I mean, you can earn what Harkirat is saying. You can earn that much definitely, but it will take time. Like it is not going to be from day one. Like you can get some work from some remote work on freelance sites. So it is going to take some time. But yeah, that amount is definitely doable.
Actually, one of my friends who works in IT,
Mm-hmm.
he is right now living nearby my place. So he works at a company called Johnson Control or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
So he is planning to quit his job and do freelancing because of this Harkirat, his channel. He saw some videos and he has decided to do that. So from his advice, I also kind of
See, you cannot.
work in a shop,
Mhm.
and in my free time, I am learning this web development.
Yeah, so you don't take these kind of decisions just by watching some videos. It could, I mean, it doesn't matter if it is Harkirat or someone else's, uh, because what he shows is just a very small video, and he cannot show the amount of work he put in all these years in a 10 to 20 minute video, right? So you should not take decisions based on these couple of minute videos. First you try the freelancing, you, because in freelancing what happens is that you have to sell yourself, not just your work, you have to sell yourself, and you are the uh, from technical point of view you are selling your skills. You have to have marketing skills also.
Okay.
So that is the problem, not exactly problem, but these are the two kind of skills that you need in freelancing. Otherwise you can have skills in web development or anything, but if you don't know how to sell it on freelancing sites, then nobody is going to give you their project, right? So there are multiple things, so you don't take decision based on a single video or multiple videos for that matters. So you first try freelancing, see what is out there, what is not, how, whether you can take it or not. Because in freelancing, there are no additional benefits like your health insurance and your perks and your and etc etc. Right? It's just only money.
Companies give.
Yes, only the money. So,
And actually, another thing I have, like, I am right now 31 years old, so
dude, I'm 28 already, so that's not too much.
I feel like I'm too old to get into this
No, no,
industry.
no. I'm I'm in embedded domain, so I'm not even in this web domain or full stack domain, and I'm 28 already.
I had done BTech in 2000, like 12, 13, passed out.
Oh,
After that,
okay.
I went into sales and went to Bombay
Mhm.
and changed different tracks, worked there for 2, 3 years, and after that, I had some health issue and I came back to my place and opened a shop, a store,
Okay.
and kind of since then COVID hit,
Mhm.
and before COVID hit, 2 months before that, I kind of got an opportunity in Ahmedabad.
Oh.
Somebody referenced gave me a reference at a consultancy, IT consultancy,
Mhm.
just like you were saying, right? They did some online bidding and freelancing stuff, kind of that. But within 2 months, COVID hit, and I had to rush back, and the company was also in deep trouble, and
Oh.
kind of I was back to my home to the shop. I have been learning since then. Very difficult to get into.
Yes, yes. History is difficult, definitely difficult. But one thing is, if you should definitely, you don't have to think that you are old, because 31 is not. 31 is not old, man. Seriously.
Yeah.
I'm 28 and I'm thinking of switching domains, but there are a lot of factors that I consider, so not really gonna switch
You said
domains.
you
Hmm?
into embedded like CC programming
Yes, yes,
on hardware.
yes, on hardware, on ARM controllers basically.
So you are, and your goal is to get into like like high level programming,
No,
web
my
development.
there is not exactly some goal. I just like to work with computers, and sometime and the time I decided to go into embedded, at that time hardware just got my attention. So I went into embedded. But now I'm seeing the impact this uh, whole development part, whole application or this backend and server part. Uh, that impact of this domain is very huge. For example, it serves a large number of people. Whether if you are in some embedded domain, then probably your product are not going to be that famous, right? So it is basically just some personal things. So, and I just don't want to work in C anymore. It's just a hectic language.
Do you think instead of embedded industry, you will get paid more if you get into regular programming like web or Java or something like that?
I mean, definitely I'm going to be get paid, and but it mostly depends on the company and the type of work and my skill set,
Yeah.
right? So, so even in
Actually,
yes.
one point I need to add here. I someone on Twitter told me. Actually, he gave me a valuable advice, which I took. He said something about the whereabouts inside the industry, how they don't tell these things to out like new people who want to join IT jobs. They said like whatever skill set you come with, how much expertise you have, it does not matter unless you have that kind of contacts and networking in this industry, so that whenever you get any kind of like opening, you get a quick reference. So
Mhm.
he said like references makes your job easier in this IT industry.
I mean, yeah, he is right. He is right. He's right. In IT sector, if I mean it works, it is true for any domain, I think, because if there are two people whom the recruiter knows from a reference, and another one is the recruiter doesn't know, then he or she is definitely going to go with the first guy, right? But if I mean, I don't know, I don't have that much of industry experience, so I may be wrong, but to excel in your domain, like first of all you are in a technical domain, so if you are not thriving for skill set, then why are you in this domain, right? So getting job is one thing, but uh, like there are things that goes beyond your job, like the work you do every day. If that work does not speak to you, then I don't think I can work in that kind of environment, right? So but I don't know, uh, this thirst of knowledge is my primary drive rather than money or part. So yeah, his advice is totally valuable.
He said he gave me a real time like current situation thing. He said from actually the guy was from USA, and he gave a real time example in his company. He said on Twitter that the there were a lot of experienced people in his team who did their job way better than people of his standards,
Hmm.
but still they were laid off because they had high salary and the project was failed, or the client did not like client I was out of the deal. So the project uh, like got into a dustbin kind of thing. How much effort they did, it didn't matter. uh, and Because of that, the expert people, they didn't get any other project or something. The company wanted to uh, quit quit them. So that's the kind of thing, that they were expert in that field, but still they got laid off.
I mean, yeah,
And
that makes sense.
the networking and contacts thing will get them reference for the next thing, for the next job also.
Yeah, sure, sure. That is what I wanted to bring the next point. Like, they definitely got late because of the whatever the situation was, but that does not mean they will not get a job because of their skill again. And I'm sure it would not have been even a month, and they would got another offer because their skill set is so good, like you said. Then it doesn't matter na कि if one company that you're working in, if that company lays you off for some reason, and if your skill set is very good, and networking part is also very important, because again referrals goes first, then you do the hiring on the, by the casual means. So if your skill set is fine, you have referrals also, then it both I mean, like I said before, it doesn't have to be mutually exclusive. You can have referrals and you can work with your skills, and you can improve your skills always. So I don't think they would have spent much time in not getting another job.
So I think I should not buy these skills. Instead, I should take that opportunity to learn Vue.js
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah,
do
sure,
that
totally.
do that project
Yeah, yeah.
application, and then then let I should decide what should I do next.
Yeah, I mean, life is not always straightforward, so you should go with that uh, that Vue.js code that you say. Right, you will learn a lot, and trust me.
Something is better than nothing, right?
Yes, yes,
Instead of doing a sample project.
yes, exactly. I would take that work that you mentioned any day, um, uh, with apart from this course thing. No matter whose course it is, I'll take that project any day. That I'm going to get learn a lot.
Okay, so I think I will I'm going to bed now.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So it was nice talking to you.
Yeah, likewise.
What's your name? I forgot to ask your name.
My name, I did not mention my name. My name is Pavan, by the way.
Okay, my name is Gaurav,
Gaurav. Okay,
and I'm
nice
from
meeting you.
Odisha.
Odisha, nice man.
Yeah. And you are from?
I'm from Delhi, man.
So
Cool.
it's all raining out here.
Yes, same here, man. I did not go to office because of that. Okay, bye bye, man. See ya. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so those were people I that come into the Discord channel that I'm streaming this stream. So because Discord had some issues um, with Will and or with Linux in general. It doesn't let me share my screen, so I have to stream on YouTube to share multiple screens on Discord. And why do I want to share my screen in Discord? I don't know. Maybe I just want uh, people to know that you can struggle on life. Okay, we'll see tomorrow, man. Tata. Bye bye.